Before I start this rant, I just want to say a few things. 1. Happy 12th year anniversary to Cars 2, because it's one of the funniest movies ever made by Disney and Pixar. And 2. I'm gonna do a rant on Fortnite, and if you guys like this game, then I'm fine with your thoughts. Anyways, enjoy. Fortnite, what? No, more like Fort Greene, Brooklyn. Oh my gosh. This game sucks. This game was a huge ripoff to Call of Duty, which was bad enough. Anyways, I will show you my least favorite skins. Jonah is so gay, he looks like he wants to marry a man, even though I tried to not be disrespectful to people who are gay. Billy is annoying, he is a ripoff to Banana from Peanut Butter and Jelly Time song, but in other words Peanut Butter and Jelly Time sucks. Anyways, Cuddle Team Leader looks creepy like the Cuddlies. She is a ripoff to Freddy Fazbear. Dear Burger is nothing but a piece of shit, he is a ripoff to the Big City Slider Station, and do you know what's worst? It's a fanbase. I never liked this when I saw it for the first time. And this game also made kids skip school to play Fortnite, and steal their parents' credit cards to spend their money on V-Bucks. I hope this game gets discontinued for good. Do you know who likes this game? My brother, Ed. He likes to play this game all day, but I'm fine with his opinion. And do you know who hates this game? Iris Loon. She really hates this game so much, and she wishes she can kill all the characters with her singing. So screw Fortnite, and screw Ice Cream Truck visits Carter's neighborhood as well. Iris Loon, Stories in Glass is 1,000,000 times better than that stupid game. End of rant.